This is Catherine Garcia, student number 3137020 for Athabasca University. This is assignment 3 of HLST 320, and this is part B video simulation. Hi John, how are you? Good to hear. My name is Catherine and I am one of the community paramedics. I saw a note in your file from your family doctor about your recent blood work results, and it looks like your fasting glucose levels are still elevated, and your doctor has prescribed a 10 kilogram weight loss to help you with your glucose levels. So are you able to tell me what an elevated fasting glucose level is? Okay, great. We are actually going to review some information about type 2 diabetes today, and then we're going to discuss some changes that you're going to make to your diet to get you losing some weight and decreasing those pesky glucose levels. So your elevated fasting glucose level means that your glucose level or blood sugar levels are always elevated, even with the medications that you are taking. This means that the food that you are eating and the drinks that you're drinking are staying in your blood and not getting to the rest of your body where they are needed for energy. This makes you feel thirsty and tired, and your body thinks you're not eating enough, so you get hungry and eat more thinking you will feel better, but you end up feeling worse. Sound familiar? The real problem in type 2 diabetes is a shortage of insulin that your body requires to get that sugar where it needs to go, into your cells. This may sound really complicated, but what you need to know is that over time, these elevated glucose levels damage your blood vessels and can lead to things like heart disease, high blood pressure, strokes, blindness. You might not feel these things happening, but they occur slowly over time with elevated glucose levels. The good news is we can start to get this problem under control, and I'm going to help you. So one of the biggest factors for decreasing blood glucose levels is weight loss. I know the thought of changing eating habits and introducing exercise can be overwhelming all at once, especially when you're already not feeling well because your glucose levels are so elevated. So I printed off a handout from the Canadian Diabetes website about losing weight. So you can refer to it as needed, and this is what I'm going to refer to today. So we're going to discuss some diet changes that you can start making today. And then at the end of our chat, we'll go over 3 of the changes that you can start making today. So this handout is great because it tells you kind of substitutions that you can make easily. So the first one we're going to talk about is your beverages. So I'm not sure what you drink on a daily basis, but drinking juice or pop or alcohol when you're thirsty is kind of a no-no with diabetes. You should be drinking water or artificially flavored beverages. Drinking sugar-free beverages is the easiest way to cut down on calories and sugar consumption. The next change you can make is cutting out refined carbohydrates, such as candy and pastries, and choosing fruit to satisfy your sweet cravings. The fruit will satisfy your sweet tooth, and the fruit and the fiber will keep you fuller instead of just white sugar. And it will also help avoid those blood sugar spikes. My final suggestion is to try and avoid eating out in restaurants and to try and prepare your meals at home. Hidden sugars and other ingredients make restaurant food taste good, but these extra sugars add extra calories and can spike glucose levels. Okay, so all of this is covered in your handout here. And now we'll just go over the 3 changes you can make. Thank you.